So we started to buy into the NASDAQ at the expense of the S&P. Okay, so we started to buy the NASDAQ here at the expense of the S&P. But you can see even with the S&P hedge position, we were still in profit, but it was only the bid-offer spread at that stage. Okay. What happened next, of course, was that we started to see the NASDAQ starting to pick a bid. We were obviously in the hedge trade on the S&P, so we were taking a small loss, but it was still massively different to the profit we were making on the deal. And then you can see what happened to that trade. The NASDAQ obviously went on to make $4,000 profit. And the loss on the S&P was only $800, guys. That's not bad. That's not a bad trade, is it? That's not a bad outcome, guys. I'm happy, delighted with that little bit of business. And killed it, basically. We've obviously closed that trade out for a very nice profit of over $3,000. And, you know, it's not a big trade. $3,000 on 30 NASDAQ contracts means it's only $100 per contract. But that's okay. We can, you know, we can live with that. I'm telling you, we can live with that, guys. It only took us a few minutes to make it. And we had technically no market directional risk on that deal. So that's what I like to see. I could have flipped it, by the way, because there was an opportunity for me to flip it back into a short NASDAQ, long S&P trade, and we could have made just as much money on the flip trade, but I was too busy taking screenshots to show you guys what we were doing that I missed the actual opportunity to flip the deal into a reversal trade as well. But nice trade. We are 45 minutes ahead of the classroom. So far, the Steam version of Webinato is working. Now that I've completely, of course, jinxed the process, we'll probably have a couple of crashes. There'll probably be leaves on the line and it'll derail the steam train. But for the time being, we are still in operation. For the time being, we are still going to be having a normal classroom. So that's got to be good news, guys. So Steam, there we go. Who would have thought it, guys? Steam is the way forward. We're going to have to reopen the coal-fired power stations. We'll get rid of the batteries. We're going to get rid of the nuclear. We'll go for the steam.